Hello students, welcome to Accounting Explained at Account-Wise Academy. This is Latha Venkateshwaran. In today's video, we are going to see annuity in time value of money. The topics to be covered for today are meaning of annuity, types of annuity, and we are going to learn about ordinary annuity for both future and the present value. Let's see what is an annuity. Annuity is a series of equal payments made at usually equal interval of time, or in other word, an annuity is a periodic amount of money that is paid at regular intervals. The concept of annuity can be used to turn the one-time lump sum payment into payment of smaller denomination in future time period for our convenience. Let us take an example now. See, you have put in a big amount of money now, rupees 5 lakhs assuming, okay, in some investment, and you want to get a steady stream of income later. That is, after 20 years, you want to get a steady stream of income of rupees 5,000 per month till your lifetime. Okay, so here see, a concept of annuity can be used to turn the one-time lump sum payment, that is 5 lakh, into payment of smaller denomination in future time period. Future time period is 20 years later. You want to get 5,000 per month till your lifetime as per our convenience. For us now it is still our lifetime. Okay. So it's different from savings. Annuity is different from savings because these payments are guaranteed. You are going to receive it for sure till your life lasts. So this is a reliable source of income which you can count on throughout your retirement life. Examples of annuity: installment payment which you pay on some leasing, or if you have got some loan, the repayment of such loan amount every month or quarterly is also an example of annuity. Regular deposits to savings bank account is also an example of annuity. Insurance premium which you pay, and hire purchase if you have bought some vehicles on hire purchase, or consumer durable goods which you have bought on hire purchase is also an example of annuity. So now we are going to see what are the types of annuity. They are ordinary annuity, annuity due, deferred annuity, and perpetuity. Ordinary annuity. Ordinary annuity is defined as the annuity where the payment is made at the end of each payment interval. So in the previous example, we invested 5 lakhs somewhere and we thought of receiving it. We were supposed to receive 5,000 per month till our lifetime. So when will we receive that payment if we had invested in ordinary annuity? So ordinary annuity says that we will be receiving at the end of the payment interval. Okay, so here 5,000 per month after 20 years we will be receiving at the end of every month. Okay, so ordinary annuity is a series of payment and it should have the following characteristics. What are they? Amount of payment should be same. So we can receive only 5,000 per month uniformly if we had invested in ordinary annuity. Interval between the payment should be same. So what is the interval? Every month, monthly we'll be receiving. Okay. Payment should be made at the end of each period. That is, at the end of each month, payment should be made. These are all the characteristics of ordinary annuity. Future value of an ordinary annuity refers to the value that is compounding till the end of its term or duration, or is also defined as the sum of future value of all the periodic payments at the end of annuity. Imagine you are saving for a vacation, okay? you decide to put aside a fixed amount, say rupees 1000 every month until your trip. You are planning your trip after 2 years. The future value of your ordinary annuity is like the total amount of money you will have saved by the time your vacation comes around. So you can, 2 years means 24 months, you can go for vacation in the 25th month. Okay, 25th month you will be going for vacation, and this rupees 1000 per month will be compounding at the end of its duration. At the end of every month it will be compounding, and 25th month you will be having some rupees X. Okay, at the end of the 24th month and the 25th month. So this is the future value of an ordinary annuity. Formula for future value of an ordinary annuity. FVN is equal to R into 1 plus I the whole power n minus 1 divided by I, where FVN is equal to future value of annuity at the end of each period, R is equal to regular payment at the end of each payment interval, I is equal to interest rate per period, n is equal to number of period for which annuity will last. Okay, so since this is ordinary annuity, we are taking at the end of each interval, each period. See, this is very important, we should not forget this. Okay, this formula may be looking very confusing, but it's not so, it's very easy. Let's see with an example. So the question is, 4 equal annual payments of rupees 5000 are made into a deposit account that pays 8% interest per year. What is the future value of this annuity at the end of 4 years? See, they are asking at the end of 4 years. So this is an ordinary annuity. Okay. So annual payment of rupees 5000 are made. So rupees 5000 is your R. Regular intervals, payment at regular intervals is R, into a deposit account that pays 8% interest per year. So I is equal to 8%. What is the future value of this annuity at the end of 4 years? So n is equal to 4. Let us see the solution. So the solution for the question is, R is equal to 5000, I is equal to 8%, and n is equal to 4. This is what we saw earlier. So the formula is FVN is equal to R into 1 plus I the whole power n minus 1 divided by I. What is R? 5000. 1 plus I the whole power n is 1 plus 8% is 0.08. 0.08 to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 0.08. First we have to find out the power of 4. So 5000 into 1.36048896 minus 1 divided by 0.08. 5000 into this minus 1 is 0.36048896 divided by 0.08. Okay, so 5000, this divided by 0.08 is 4.506112. So the answer is 22,530 rupees is the future value of ordinary annuity of rupees 5000 that pays 8% interest at the end of 4 years. Let us take the same problem and see how to solve the problem using the future value of ordinary annuity table. Okay. So we know from the question that R is equal to 5000, I is equal to 8% and N is equal to 4. We have to look into the future value table at 8% for 4 years. Okay. This is the future value table of ordinary annuity. Okay, so see here, they can also be called as annuity in arrears or end of period payments. Okay, all are same. Future value of ordinary annuity, annuity in arrears or end of period payments, all are same. See here in rows we have periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in columns we have interest R 0.25%, 0.5%, 0.75%, and it goes on. In our problem we saw R is 8% and N is equal to 4. So we have to extend 8% down till 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our 4 and it has to be extended till 8%. We have an interest factor of 4.50611 which has to be substituted in our solution. On referring to the future value of ordinary annuity table at 8% for 4 years, we found out the interest factor as 4.50611. When this is multiplied with R, that is 5,000, we get 22,530 as the answer. So, the answer when we use the formula or when we use the table, both are the same. If in the exam they ask you to do the problem with the table, you can refer the table and do the problem very easily. Or else if they have not given the table, then you have to use the formula. That also we know now. Present value of an ordinary annuity refers to the sum of discounted value of each periodic payment at the given rate of interest. It can also be called as capital value. Let's see an example for this. Suppose you need rupees 3 lakhs for your higher education after 3 years later. Okay, and your dad wants to know how much amount he has to invest. Suppose he wants to invest rupees X per month. He wants to find out this rupees X. Okay, so that he can reach the amount of 3 lakhs after 3 years. So, the present value of your ordinary annuity is like a magic calculator that tells you exactly how much you need to start saving today. We can find out this X amount considering the time value of money. See here, discounted value of each periodic payment. That is the time value of money. And any potential interest you might earn from this. That is at the given rate of interest. The formula for present value of an ordinary annuity is PVN is equal to R into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus I the whole power n, the whole thing divided by I. So PVN is present value of annuity at the end of each period. R is regular payment at the end of each payment interval. I is equal to interest rate per period and N is equal to number of period for which annuity will last. Since it's ordinary annuity, we are taking at the end of each period. See. Okay, that keep it in your mind as I said earlier. Let's see a problem on ordinary annuity for present value. Okay, what is the present value of a 4 years annuity of 8,000 at 12% interest received at the end of period? See, at the end of period is given, so it is ordinary annuity. Okay, so 4 years is N, 8,000 is R, 12% is I. We are going to proceed with the solution now. We know that R is equal to 8,000, I is equal to 12% or 0.12 and N is equal to 4. Substitute this in this formula, all the values. So R is 8,000 into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus I is 1 plus 0.12 to the power of 4, the whole thing divided by 0.12. First step is to find out the 1.12 the power of 4 is 1.5735. 8,000 into 1 minus 1 divided by 1.5735 divided by 12, divided by 0.12. What is 1 divided by 1.5735? It is 8000 into 1 minus 0.6355 divided by 0.12. Now we have to find out 1 minus 0.6355. It is 8000 into 0.3645 divided by 0.12. Next step is to find out 0.3645 divided by 0.12, which is 3.0375. When multiplied with 8000, it gives 24,300. So this is the present value of ordinary annuity. We are going to find out the solution for the same question using the present value of ordinary annuity table. So we know R is 8000, I is 12% and N is equal to 4. We have to look into the present value of ordinary annuity table at 12% for 4 years. This is similar to the future value of ordinary annuity table. Okay. This is the present value of ordinary annuity table. Okay. See, where you have to look at 12% and you have to see in the rows 4 years. These two has to intersect. So you go straight to 12% here and it intersects here. So the interest factor is 3.03735, which will be substituting in the solution. On seeing the present value of ordinary annuity table at 12% for 4 years, we have an interest factor of 3.03735. When this is multiplied with R, that is 8000, you get 24,298 or 24,300. Okay, when rounded off. So the answer is same, either you use the formula method or the table method, and in the exam you can use accordingly. Okay, so with this we are concluding the chapter of ordinary annuity. Do like our video and share it with your friends if you find it helpful. Subscribe to our channel, which will encourage us to make more videos like this one. If you would like to inquire about the accountancy classes which I take, or to get more worksheets for problems with solutions, contact us at acct.wiseacademy@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.